This video shows how to create 2 database user accounts that you'll need to complete your coursework. I'm assuming you've already set up a database and you're able to access a tool for executing commands as the admin user. If not, see the prior videos in this playlist or the links to prior videos listed above. Although it's possible to create user accounts through the database's graphical user interface, we are going to create them using structured query language. This language is abbreviated as SQL, but it's usually pronounced SQL by data professionals. First, let's create an account for you to use for your class assignments. The account will be named Student, and it's the one you'll use for just about all the work for this course. You'll find the SQL statement to create the student account below this video. Click to display the SQL commands, then you can copy and paste the code into the SQL window. Be sure to change the password from temporary password 1234 to a strong password. You'll need to keep track of the password you choose because you'll use it each time you log in. You'll notice that this script has several statements. One to create the user account and others to give it the needed permissions. This button allows you to execute one statement in the script at a time, but we want to execute the whole thing, so click this one. I'll just scan through the script output to be sure there are no error messages, which are shown in red. Everything looks good. Now let's create the account your professor will use to access your database. You can copy the script for this from below as well. This account is similar to your admin account, so your professor can make administrative changes to your database if needed. For this one, don't change the password that's in the script. Your professor will change it when he logs on to verify that you have created these accounts correctly. Let's clear the output from the last script and execute this one. I'm scanning the output. Everything looks good. Now, let's see how to use the newly created student account to log in directly to the database. Click on the Options menu in the upper left corner of your browser. Under the Administration heading, choose Database Users. I'll find the student user and click this button to copy the direct login link. Now I'll open an incognito browser and paste in the direct login link to verify that I can use the student account to access my database directly. I'll enter student as the username and supply the password I chose for the account. It looks as though everything works great. We're ready to start working with data, but that will be the topic for another video. Take a minute now and record the direct login link and the password that you created for the student account. With them, you'll be able to log in directly to your database without having to log into your Oracle Cloud Console first. Plus, your professor will probably ask for that direct login link to verify that your accounts are configured correctly.